Hi everybody. So I decided to create a little Word document with the information just since my box is so tiny at the bottom. I want to give you something else to look at. Well, my name is Ashley Martin. I'm originally from Florence, Kentucky. I'm a senior here this year at EKU. I'm studying elementary education, and I recently decided to do secondary science education as well. So, background stuff, I've got two siblings, an older sister. She's a high school teacher. She teaches Spanish. And then my little brother's a senior in high school right now, but he wants to study computer engineering. My mom is a nurse practitioner, and my dad is an accountant. So that's my family. I chose the numbers 1 and 2 toward the bottom. Number 1 says, children should be taught grammar in school because that's how they learn to speak and write correctly. I strongly agree with this statement. Children should definitely be taught grammar in school because it is how they learn to speak and write grammatically. But now I'm going to connect that to number 2, because number 2 says the version of English used in school, i.e. standard English, is the only proper dialect of English. I disagree with that because there are so many dialects of English that somebody can speak in their house with their friends and then not speak in their professional setting, which is what we're supposed to do. So as teachers, we teach children proper grammar and standard English because that is what Common Core State has decided is what they need to know for their professional and college career readiness career. All that jazz. So even though they don't speak their standard English or proper grammar at home, doesn't mean they're not speaking correctly, or doesn't mean that it's necessarily wrong, because that's where they come from. That's their culture. So also as a teacher, we should be responsible for making sure that the students know the difference between at-home dialect and in a professional setting dialect. So if they know that standard English and proper grammar is their professional, college and career ready way to speak, then they can possibly take that into their personal life, into their homes, or they could know and understand when in a professional setting to use standard English, to use proper grammar, both in writing and speaking. So it doesn't necessarily make what they're saying at home completely wrong, and we shouldn't tell them that it's wrong, because as a teacher, we're responsible for what happens at school. What we give the students is what we're responsible for. What they do with it and where they go with it is totally on them. So we can't say anything about what they do at home. If you have any further argument or anything that adds to my point, feel free to put it in the comments. Otherwise, those are just the two things that I thought kind of stood out to me, and it also kind of connects to number 7. So that's what I got.